everyone. So for this reaction, YouTuber SHINEE World actually requested this, and it's called Rainy Blue. And so they said something about Taemin and ONEW, so I don't know if it's like a duo type of thing or not, because I don't remember if I've heard this or not. I'm sorry, SHINEE fans. Or Shawwalls. So yeah, let's get started in 3, 2, and 1. Sorry, it took me like a minute to like remember what the fan base name is. Oh, okay, it's Taemin on piano and ONEW singing? Or are they gonna sing together? Damn. It's like already super beautiful. I don't know how loud to turn it up, so I'm just gonna be checking that. Oh god. Taemin looks so good. I could just like watch him playing that piano just for hours and be just so happy. Damn, the way ONEW's looking at him though. He's like, damn, babe. Yes, babe. Oh my god. Sorry, ONEW keeps giving me these looks. He needs to calm down. I don't usually look towards ONEW's way, but sometimes, and his voice is fantastic. Okay, I need to bump this. I'm assuming since they're at the Tokyo Dome that this is in Japanese. Oh, okay. So there's Japanese subtitles and then Korean underneath? Okay. I was really confused at first. I was like, wait. For a second, I thought it was half and half, and I was like, that wouldn't make any sense. How is his voice so, like, soft? Oh, this is so beautiful. That jawline. Oh, I can do one better. This sounds like a song that would be on a drama. I mean, a lot of slow Korean songs sound like they could be on a drama, but like this one is, you can just feel it. Like it would be a romantic plot, as usual, like, you know, most of them. And they're in the rain. And they're longing for each other. But they haven't gotten quite together just yet. Because they need to tell each other their feelings. That's what I'm picturing right now. Man, his cheekbones. Yes. Oh. Yes. There's the bag. Dude, his voice is just, it's so, Did y'all hear the high note? Like, there's no cracking in his voice at all. It's so smooth. He's crying! No! Oh no, don't cry, you're gonna make me cry. And you know that's real because no one went up there and was like, boop, boop. Okay. Action, you know? Damn, he looks so good. When I cry, I look like a hot fucking mess. Aw, Taemin. He's like, hey man, hey bro, don't cry. It's all good. Let's get out of here, man. Oh man. That was so beautiful though. Like really, that was really pretty. I'm so sad that he cried though. I feel like that would be me. Like, if I were to like ever actually fulfill my dream of becoming a singer. I'm not that great at singing. I'm like, okay. But, oh my god, I feel like that would be me. I'd be crying through like every emotional song. I'd probably be sobbing like halfway through. It would be terrible. Oh my god. Oh, but yeah, that was really beautiful. I'm like, okay, I'm tearing up, man. I need to... Oh. Why do you have to cry? But yeah. Thank you. Thank you for requesting this because it was really beautiful and I don't think I've ever heard it before. It must have been off of one of their Japanese albums and I think I only have their like first Japanese album because the rest of the ones I have are just the Korean ones. But yeah, y'all can like, comment, subscribe below. Tell me what you think. How hot was ONEW though? Because we all know Taemin's hot, but how hot was ONEW though? Hit me up on Instagram, on the Aminos, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!